Good day, everyone. Welcome to ADEMOLATV Plus YouTube channel, your number one online favorite TV. So today is Wednesday. As you always know, we got to celebrate our famous celebrity. So our famous celebrity for today, Wednesday, is in person of Bose Aregbesola was born on October 8, 1979. She's a popular Nigerian actress and movie producer. She was from Ekiti State but was born and raised in Abeokuta, Ogun State. Bose Aregbesola is a popular Nigerian actress and producer known for her role in Segun Kugbe produced movie Bendede. Bose Aregbesola was born and raised in Abeokuta, Ogun State but originally is from Ekiti State. Aregbesola started her primary school education at Army Children's School and then proceeded to St. Peter's College for her secondary school education both in Abeokuta, Ogun State. Bose Aregbesola started as a caterer before she joined the movie industry in 1998. Since then, she has starred in several Nollywood movies like Sunday Dagboro, Game Master, Onishugu, Ajanaku, Akoshile, Banso, and Edai, and so many more. One of her popular movies in Bendede, which was produced by award-winning movie producer Segun Kugbe. She has also featured in movies such as Omidan Ibali and Buruno and often Olorun Jomluju, among others. Bose Aregbesola and Alhaji Razak ADEMOLATV got married years back and they have 3 children together. Alhaji Razak ADEMOLATV is a successful businessman from Ayuto, Ogun State. So, ladies and gentlemen, all the love we have for Bose Aregbesola, join us with a loud vision as we celebrate Bose Aregbesola. Okay, if you're just coming to this channel for the first time, kindly click on the red button and also click on this more bell beside it, so that will notify you anytime we drop any video on this channel. So you can also follow us on all our social media platforms at ADEMOLATV Plus. Follow us on Facebook at ADEMOLATV Plus. Follow us on Instagram at ADEMOLATV Plus. Follow us on Threads at ADEMOLATV Plus. So till next week Wednesday, when we come your way again, I say bye.